How do you get Spotify Premium? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can get Spotify Premium. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to get Spotify Premium, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Spotify application here. And normally if you are on Android, it is possible for you to get the premium from the app. But if you're on iPhone, this process is a little bit complicated because you cannot do it from the app. Instead, what we have to do is we have to open up our browser. So even if you're using Android, I just recommend you try to open your browser. Then you just want to go to spotify.com. I'll also have a link prepared down in the description box below as well. So once you basically go to spotify.com, if you have a free account, you can go ahead and just try to log into that account, right? So go ahead and then log into one of your free Spotify accounts here. And once you log into Spotify, what you want to do is you have to tap the gear icon from the top right. Now if you've not logged in, you'll find the login button. After you've logged in, you want to tap the gear icon again. Tap the option called Premium here in this case. Once you go to the option called Premium, now here you can see all the premium plans that are available. You can just select the individual, duo or family plan based on what you like, and then just select the option called Get Started. Once you select the option called Get Started over here, you want to simply verify the student by share ID or whatever ID you have. Tap on Next. Then depending upon the plan, make sure to enter your payment method, and then you should be good to go and you'll successfully activate Spotify Premium. This way you can get Spotify Premium, but as I repeat earlier, again, you want to do it from your browser and not from the app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.